Hi, welcome to Danny Kitchen Mafia. Today, somebody asked me to do a sushi burrito. Okay, we're gonna use the spinach wrap to do the burrito. Again, this one is just try to make a new idea about make the new style of the sushi. So we start with the rice, sushi rice. So do like you put the rice on the nori seaweed. Then sesame seed. Then the wasabi. So the ingredient is gonna be the shredded carrot, shredded Julienne cucumber, avocado. This one I'm gonna put tuna, Hamachi, salmon, and Kani Kama. Put some mixed cream. Again, you can put whatever ingredient you like. You can put any kind of fish. You can put shrimp. You can put chicken, grilled beef, and you can have fun with it. So for the sauce inside, use the Japanese mayo, honey kimchi sauce, make some spicy, eel sauce, make some sweet, and Masago. So just drop the Masago on top. Then wrap it up. Try to wrap like this. Then we use the daily paper. Do like this. Then we cut. There you go. You have the sushi burrito. So it's just decorate on the plate. It's like this. On the side, you're gonna put the. This one is Japanese mayo, fresh wasabi, a little bit of rice vinegar, and one teaspoon of the Masago to put some extra. Maybe you can dip. Maybe you can pour on top with the burrito during the time we eat. On the side, use some the Oshinko, pickled radish that you can find in the Asian grocery. This one is Yama Gobo, just on the side. Ta-da! So hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you can make the sushi at home for your friend and your family for when you have the party. Again, you can make whatever ingredient you have or whatever ingredient you like, put in the burrito. Hope you guys have fun. Thank you for watching Danny Kitchen Mafia. Thank you. See you in the next episode. And please don't forget, if you like my video clip, please share, subscribe, and give me a thumb up on this video. See you in the next episode. Thank you.